Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Lenovo ThinkPad docking station monitor not working, HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C fix. Fix 1. Hard power reset. Unplug all cables from the docking station, including the video cables, USB devices, and the power cord. Then disconnect the docks from your ThinkPad and leave it completely unpowered for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, reconnect the dock to the power outlet, connect it to your ThinkPad, and then plug in your monitor cables. Step 2. Physical and cable connections. First, verify the cables. Ensure your HDMI or DisplayPort cables are securely attached. Then swap cables. Then test with a different, known working HDMI or DisplayPort cable. For port check, try connecting the monitor directly to your laptop's built-in HDMI or USB-C port to verify if the monitor itself is working properly. For USB-C/slash Thunderbolt, if using a USB-C dock, ensure you are using the original cable that came with the dock, as standard charging-only cables do not support video. Sometimes flipping the USB-C cable connector upside down can also resolve the glitch. Step 3. Check Windows display settings. It is common for updates or undocking events to cause Windows to forget external displays. So right-click anywhere on an empty spot on your desktop and select Display Settings. Then scroll down to the Multiple Displays section and click the Detect button to see if Windows can locate your external monitors. And if they appear, ensure the drop-down is set to extend these displays or duplicate these displays. Step 4. Update drivers and firmware. Outdated graphic drivers or docking station firmware are the top reasons for monitor handshakes failing. Use the Lenovo Vantage utility to automatically download and install the latest graphics, Thunderbolt, and docking station drivers. Then manually verify your specific dock's firmware by visiting the Lenovo support website and searching your dock's model number. Step 5. Verify power delivery. Insufficient power being sent to the dock can cause external display outputs to fail. Ensure you are using the official Lenovo AC power adapter that was shipped with your dock. Using an underpowered adapter will cause the dock's USB and display hubs to shut down under load. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.